Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a leveling leg on your wine cellar, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the appliance away from the wall or cabinet. Have an assistant help you to prop up the side of the wine cellar you're replacing the leg on. You can now fully unthread the old leg, if still intact. Install the new leveling leg by threading it all the way into the base. Be aware, you can rotate the leg counterclockwise to extend it to help level the appliance as required. With the leg in position, remove the support and gently lower the wine cellar. Push the appliance back against the wall or into the cabinet. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your wine cellar should be ready for use.